Hi, Tony here from Bathroom Spare Parts again. Today we're looking at how to measure a mixer tap cartridge. There's mainly two types. We're going to simplify things a little bit and not get too out of our depth, but as you can see from this one, this is called a peg leg cartridge. Obvious because it's got two pegs and little legs, and the washers here come down to match when they fit into the recesses in the body of the tap. This compared to what we call a flat base. Fairly obvious again. Same there, there's locating lugs that go in the body of the tap, then it sits down on that washer. You'll notice on this one it's got a washer. Many of these manufactured cartridges come with washers here, washers up here, or no washers. That really is dependent on the tap. We'll have a look at this larger cartridge. As you can see, it's quite a beast. But the important thing with all these is the diameter. So that one is just under 45. This is quite a standard one, 35. A lot of tap cartridges are 35mm, but they can be 25, 30, 28. So that's the key measurement, is the diameter of that cartridge.